Good day, traders. This is Master FX Shifu from Universal Forex Dojo. Let's hop onto the charts and see what we've got for the day. Now, before we do that, let's check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 Auto Hedge Mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody is doing well today. This is Master FX Shifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let us hop into the charts and see what we can take advantage of today. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Do drop your comments on the side if my sound is good. Then I can definitely get started. If my screen is clear, drop your comments there. If my sound is good, drop them there on the side. And then I can get started. And also do drop your pairs that you guys want me to look at today, and we can move. Okay, just before we start, yesterday we had quite a good day, quite a very brilliant day, and let's see if we can repeat that today just by following the process and allowing ourselves to definitely get some pips today. Okay, I see we've got Dede saying everything is perfect. Awesome. We've got Jonathan 10. Everything is perfect. Beautiful. So you want me to look at USD Swiss franc. Okay. Let me just remove yesterday's setups and then get a fresh clean chart for the day and take it from there. Do drop your pairs on the side there. You guys know I can only do 4 setups. Then we can take it from there. Okay, so we did have this setup yesterday, and literally turned by the entry, and you know we don't really enter trades at the entry. We use stop orders only. We need price to slightly get into the stop loss range before dropping, and until that happens we don't really get into setups. But we do see now there's a beautiful potential sell coming in. This one is still valid, by the way, guys. It's still valid. I think when I did it I based it off the daily, so we'll still have a bit of room to play around and potentially get a entry into that. Okay, and then we've got on the hourly, actually I'm just going to break it out even further. On the 15, I'm just seeing this now. we've got this region here. Remember guys, when you do the 15, we're looking at high risk setups, so do be careful of those high risk setups. You want to really try and not get wicked out by these. It's a bit too tight, way too tight, but let's see if it does play out in our favor, and if it does, then it'll definitely be a good way to gradually end or get towards our weekend. Okay, there we go. Then we've got the entry point right there, the stop loss right there. This will be a rather very quick one, so if you do see this and you're not live, then do not even consider this setup. And then going back into the hourly. Good morning, Ian Legend. Pleasure's all mine. So let's see if we can get into this one. This is Frank here, and then on the hourly we've got this region here. I'm trying to see if we can actually get a decent move, because it looks like it has gotten to the bottom, but we'll see how that works out. I was looking at this region here. We'll see how that works out. And then we did have a potential, there's a high there, a BOS over here. It's retracing. I highly doubt it will come here, all mitigated there. So for now, I think I'll just focus on this low time frame one, and take it from there. And then let's take a look at the 4 hour, see what's happening in the 4 hour. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna stay out of that one. So it's literally just this 15-minute one that we're gonna be looking at on USD Swiss franc. Okay, do drop your other pairs, guys. I need 3 more pairs, and then I can definitely get moving. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Don't forget to like the stream, and definitely subscribe. Okay, DJI, I was looking at it yesterday, and I was not really convinced about this zone here at the bottom. I was actually expecting it to turn even lower, but looks like it's doing that now. So we are gonna stay out of it for now, and focus on the next pairs. But this chart looks a bit messy for me. There we go. Let me just remove this 15R. Okay, I see Iran wants us to look at AUD USD. AUD USD. Guys, don't forget to check out our Patreon. Don't forget to check it out. It really turned at this entry here. We are going to be changing the cost of our Patreon probably tomorrow, because we will be including some better things. We'll be including some beautiful perks with it. But for now, check it out. If you get it now, then you get it at that $7 cheap setup, where you actually have access to all our setups. The bootcamp and the whoosh are still on promo for $6.99. That's literally a 50% discount for both bootcamp and wushu, so do check it out. AUD USD, I highly doubt we're gonna get a good entry here. I highly doubt it. I'm actually not sure how this one ended. This is yesterday's setup, but I'll just come back to it. For now, let me just take a look at what's happening here. I took a minute. Okay, so this is going to be another very short trade, and we're going to try to refine it as fast as possible, and hopefully get a decent move in there. Then it's going to look something like that. There we go. Probably going to have to chop it down a bit more, but that would increase the risk on it, which we are trying to not do. Of course, and then we'll have an entry here. Don't forget, stop orders only. I keep repeating, stop orders only. Do keep that in mind at all times, and then everything will be good. There we go. So we've got that in play. Okay. And that's about it for the day, guys. That's about it. Let's see. Okay, there's gold. Okay, you guys drop me another one. See, someone just look at gold. So this is what you have on AUDUSD. And remember, it's a 15-minute, so be careful. Be very careful. You could probably get wicked out, but just be careful of that. And then let's take a look at gold. Gold. Okay, gold was a beautiful one as well yesterday. Just literally came back, took our order, and completely left. So that was a beautiful move. Hitting 20R. Beautiful move. Let me just move this a bit and see what we've got on gold. Guys, the bootcamp is much better than this. You get to see even better setups. Okay. This is a tricky one. Just go back a bit now. Very tricky one. Let's see how the owl is looking. And then I see you've got GU, which would be the last one for the day. Then of course everybody else will be getting the rest in the Discord. Okay, nothing there. Okay, let's see if you can't go even deeper. Try see if you can't find anything in the most recent price action here. Okay. There's some liquidity being formed at the top and at the bottom here. So we're probably going to see a wick into this range. And then we're going to see price go back to form new highs. Okay, this is definitely going to happen. But now we would be able to enter. Let's see, 5 minute. Five minute is not gonna work. No, definitely not. Nope. This is not gonna work. Okay, no, that definitely not gonna work. Let's take a look at the last one here, GU, and hopefully we'll find something decent in here and something that actually does work. But if we don't, we're not gonna force trades, so just keep that in mind. Okay, let's look at that. Break it down some more, find an unmitigated OB, and of course have a decent sell from that point. And then we'll have something along these lanes. Then of course you'll be good from there. There we go. And that's how you'll approach GU. So let's see how that plays out. And that's about it for today's stream. Rather short, but that's it, guys. I will check you guys tomorrow pre-London. We are still working on the New York, so just be wary of that. And then that's it, guys. Happy trading, happy trading, happy trading. Do manage your risk and all will be good. Cheers, guys.